G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video lesson. In today's video, we're going to be talking about actually doing something on Amazon FBA. If you've been thinking about getting something started on Amazon FBA, this very short, to the point video will kind of get you over the hurdle, the biggest hurdle, pretty much stopping a lot of people from actually getting something started. 2020 is basically upon us. What are you planning on doing this year, in 2020? What actions, what products do you plan on launching in 2020? And let me tell you, a lot of people just thinking at this point about starting on Amazon FBA, most people who are thinking about doing it without any follow through, without any action whatsoever, and they're not going to get anything started, right? So we're going to be talking about that in this video, plus so much more. Stay with me.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.
Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. My name's Alex Ryan, and I'm based here in Sydney, Australia. I show people how to find hot products, find the best suppliers overseas, usually in China, and launch those on Amazon FBA, Amazon Australia, as well as Amazon America and UK, right? So the biggest hurdle people have when it comes to getting something started on Amazon is they just think too much. They're looking for what we call the perfect product, all right? The perfect product doesn't actually exist. There's no such thing as the perfect product. Some people are looking for products out there that cost $5 from China, and you can sell it for $50 on Amazon, and basically no one's selling the product. It's a brand new product, it goes wide stream, you sell it in all the marketplaces, Walmart picks it up, right? Everyone's looking for that perfect product, right? It doesn't exist, right? If it did exist, then I tell you what, if you're new to Amazon, someone who has a lot more experience than you would actually jump on it, right? But it doesn't exist. I kind of see products that you sell on Amazon more as soldiers, right? So if you have a soldier out there and the product, it might cost you $5 and you might be selling it for $9, right? And you might be making $3 or $4 per unit, right? You're not going to quit your job tomorrow because of that, right? But it's just one soldier out there. So then you jump on another product, right? That's 2 soldiers out there making a little bit, and then 3 soldiers and 4 soldiers and so on. And you grow your army, right, of products. And ideally, it's not just as easy as that. I mean, you've got to build a brand as well, and you've got to make sure that the products are not, in saturated markets. But what I'm saying is most people, they don't think about that. They're looking for that perfect product. And because of that, they never really get anything off the ground, all right? And I don't want that happening to you. So guys, if you're looking for a perfect product, ditch that right now, all right? 2020 hopefully will be your year when you actually get something off the ground and get something started. And let me tell you, most people get nothing off the ground because they're either thinking too much, and you've probably heard the expression paralysis by analysis. So they're thinking too much. Is this the product? Isn't this not the product? I don't know. Let me ask my 10 friends who are down the pub right now and broke, So they think too much, and because they think too much, they overthink it and nothing happens, right? You're better off getting something on Amazon, even if it's making a very small amount. Just learn the process to getting something on Amazon, and that way you're ready when the time comes to actually launch something. When you jump on that new product and no one else is jumping on, then you at least have the experience, right? Guys, if you're looking to get something started and you want a bit of a leg up and you want to learn from someone who can actually show you how to find hot products, give us a buzz at the office, 02 8003 7534. Visit our website. We also have a New Zealand phone number as well. I would love to have a chat with you or one of my team members. And we also have live webinars that we run as well. So check out the website for the live webinar. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Have a fantastic day. And don't forget, 2020 is going to be your year. Bye-bye for now. See you later.